Hello everyone, I am Vatsal. I am going to discuss about the nervous system. The nervous system is mainly made up of three parts: the brain, spinal cord and the nerves. Now let us have a look onto the brain. The brain is a dome shaped structure. The brain is divided into two parts, the left brain and the right brain, and it is divided by a hemisphere. Now, inside the brain, there are again three parts. Those are cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. The functions of the cerebrum are critical thinking, basic intelligence, memory. And the functions of the cerebellum are muscle movement and balance. And the functions of the medulla is to control the involuntary actions. Do you know what are the involuntary actions? Involuntary actions are breathing, heartbeat and blood circulation. Now let us do a quick model of the nervous system. The materials required for this model are circular rubber sheet, a cerebrum model, a cerebellum, a hook, some wires which acts as a nerve, and a long rubber sheet which acts as the spinal cord, and these are the vertebrae. Now, in the circular rubber sheet, take this cerebrum and remove the gum. After removing this sheet, stick it to the yellow sheet. See, it sticks. And same, do it to the cerebellum. Now this is the medulla oblongata, and this is the spinal cord. Both are attached. Now fix these vertebrae into the model, into the spinal cord. Now after that, between each other, stick a nerve. This is the gum. And stick it. Now keep another vertebrae. And stick the another nerve also. This is the model of the nervous system. The nervous system is divided into three parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum and the medulla oblongata. And this is the spinal cord, which is protected by the vertebrae, and these are the nerves, which are mainly three parts: motor nerve, sensory nerve and mixed nerves. And when the left side of the brain is damaged, you can feel the pain on the right side of your body. This is because the left side brain nerves are connected to the right side body. Do take care in the lockdown and stay home, stay safe. Hi guys, today I am going to do the activity named Anatomy of a Flower. Do you know the flower contains four parts, also known as four whorls, which make it as a complete flower. I already made a one and kept it here. This is the peduncle, receptacle, these both are the sepals, these are petals, these are anther, and this is called as pistil. The pistil contains three parts. Those are stigma, style ovary which contains ovule in it. Now I am gonna make a flower. First, I need to take a straw and also known as peduncle and keep it in a rubber sheet, also known as receptacle. I am gonna stick it to the sepal with the help of double-sided tape. And I am going to stick the sepal to the petal. Now I have stuck the sepal to the petal. Now you can see that the sepal is down here and the petal is up here. Thus, the function of the sepal is to attract the insects for pollination. Now, in some flowers, the anther and the pistil are combined together. Now, I am going to stick this with the help of double-sided tape. Now, this is a flower. This is known as a complete flower because it has 4 whorls. The first one is sepal and the second one is petal. These are anther and this is pistil. Hi guys, and today I am gonna do the experiment on osmosis. First, I took sugar and added water to make it as a sugar solution. And I mixed it well. First, I took a potato, then peeled it off and scooped it to make it like this. See the hole? Now, I need to add water in a bowl and keep this potato and pour the sugar solution into the potato. So, with the help of a pin, I should mark where the sugar solution of the potato came. After 20 minutes, you can see the rise of the solution in the potato. See, I have marked it with another pin. You can see the difference. This is because of osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of molecules from low concentration to high concentration. In this experiment, the low concentration is water and the high concentration is the sugar. Hi guys, today I am going to do the experiment named osmosis in potatoes. First, I need to take a little amount of water. I am gonna peel the potatoes and I need to boil one of the potato. So after I need to cut the basement of the potato and scoop it. Now after it I peeled out with a peeler and I need to scoop the inside part of the potato. Now I took half bowl of water and marked it A and B. A stands for boiled potato and B stands for raw potato. In both of the potatoes we need to add little amount of salt. After 20 minutes, we can see that in the boiled potato, the salt remains the same, whereas in the raw potato, the salt gets dissolved. This is because of osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of molecules from low concentration to high concentration. In this, the low concentration is water and the high concentration is salt. Thank you. Hi guys, today I'm gonna explain you about life cycle of a frog, butterfly and a cockroach. Now, the materials required for this activity are a rubber sheet with slit and a hole, printed pictures of life cycles of butterfly, frog and cockroach, a cup hook and a rubber band. Now, first I am going to do the life cycle of a frog. First, these are known as spawn, the eggs of the frog. This will grow from 6 days. First, in the slit, we need to insert it. And the next one is the tadpole. The tadpole grows for 90 days. Then it extends for adult frog. And even the tadpole, we are going to insert it into the slit. And the next one is adult frog or froglet. I am going to insert this into the slit. This takes about. Now I have kept all the stages of the frog. This one is spawn. The spawn are the eggs of the frog, and this one is tadpole. The tadpole lives only underwater. This one is known as froglet, and this is frog. The only difference between frog and froglet is the tail. Now do the same thing for the butterfly's life cycle. The butterfly leaves the eggs on the mulberry leaves. When the egg grows up, it becomes into caterpillar. The caterpillar eats so many mulberry leaves and takes a deep rest. So that later on, when it's sleeping, the pupa comes out and forms into a beautiful butterfly. This is the life cycle of butterfly. This is the eggs. This is caterpillar, the pupa, and a beautiful butterfly. Now do the same thing to the cockroach. Now I am going to explain you about the life stages of cockroach. Do you know the cockroaches live in humid and dark places? The first stage of the cockroach is cockroach eggs. It takes 5 to 10 days to grow up into a nymph. The nymph takes 6 to 7 weeks to grow up into an adult nymph. The adult nymph takes 9 to 13 months to grow up into a mature cockroach. This is the easy way of learning life cycles. Thank you. Do subscribe my channel.